What's going on, everyone? This is Tom Farron here, founder of the Trading Division. This is Technical Division Episode 5, and today we're going to be looking over some of the Forex currency pairs for the week ahead, which is August 28th to September the 1st, 2017. We're going to be looking at all the technical pairs and how economic news is going to affect the market, as well as our predictions for the week to come. Before we start, we've got a big announcement. You may know on August 28th, which is Monday, we've got our new Forex membership coming out. So if you head over to our website now, thetradingdivision.com, you click on membership. You can scroll down here and look at all the content which our membership provides. So first of all, you get a training course. You learn the basics of Forex and the markets. You learn how to analyze markets and charts, starting from the beginner all the way through to an intermediate and finally expert analysis on Forex charts. You can develop strategies for trading and how economic news impacts the market. So once you finish our course, you'll become confident and precise in your analysis of the Forex market. So you can go away and analyze any pair, whether it's dollar, whether it's Canadian dollar, whatever you want to trade, whether it's options or binary or futures, anything you want to trade. Our content in our membership is diverse and it will allow you to trade any type of market because it's so quality. Okay, also within your membership you gain access to weekly webinars which will be posted on our website. In these weekly webinars, we're going to review and critique analysis of all our students, and we're going to have an open Q&A where our students can ask us anything related to Forex or business or anything they want about the markets and how currency pairs are being affected by volatility or what this type of jargon means, anything like that. You can ask it every single week in our webinars, only exclusive to our students. Talking about students, we've got an access to a community of traders. So if you join our membership, you're going to build an entourage of fellow traders all in your position looking to trade and improve their knowledge of the Forex market, and you can communicate with them across the world on social media, and we build up this community of traders all looking to have success consistently in the Forex market. As I said, yeah, you get contact, so social media contact. You'll be added to a private Telegram group where we can have regular webinar chats and chats about different topics. As I said, we're going to have the weekly webinars every week, which will be more formal, and then social media contact will be a little bit more informal to answer any of your questions or go over some analysis if you have any queries. And also I've added in the art of psychology because psychology is super important within the Forex market. If there was no such thing as psychology, if us humans didn't have emotions, we would all be millionaires, I promise you that, because you would execute trades like a robot. But we are human and we do have emotions, therefore psychology is important because you need to understand how to manage your risk and how it will impact your emotions and to keep them under control. So, as you said, our membership is out on Monday, August 28th. I hope to see you there and hope to see you joining our community. So, we're going to get straight onto the technical analysis now for the week to come. That is August 28th to September 1st. And I've gone over my analysis, and all the analysis that we go over today will be in the course, but in much more detail. So for instance, when I'm analysing now, and I'll take you over some of the charts, our predictions for the week to come, it's a very basic version. Obviously the knowledge is still there, but I'm just showing you a very basic version. But once we go over to the membership and you become a member of our community, you've got full access to all our knowledge from the Forex market. So I'm going to start with US dollar JPY, and we're in this kind of period here of a downtrend, which is quite good. I've been in a downtrend for kind of since mid-July. We've been in a downtrend, drawn our trend line, drawn our lower highs structure, which we'll teach you in the course, of course. And the latest lower high was started here back in early August, but it had to come and retest that back in the 16th of August, which is kind of interesting. So that kind of forms a nice area of resistance. We moved that back down here to our lower high, to our latest lower high, and we're looking for targets. We're moving down, and we've rejected it once, not once but twice, so there, and once again there. Later on today, this was economic news, the latest candle. So we are looking for targets a little bit lower for US dollar JPY, kind of around this zone. Down to this weekly level, it's our support and resistance. Our support in this case, so we're looking for targets of around 70 pips down there, and we will update you guys. We'll update our students on our website and in our course, and we'll update you guys on our Instagram page as to how we've got on with this trade. So we've still got a little bit of bearish bias for US dollar JPY because we've seen dollar weakness, especially since the Yellen speech today, which was this candle here. As you can see, it's a bearish candle and it's had a bearish impact on the market. Okay, so we're going to move over to pound JPY now. These are just some of the favourite currency pairs that I like to look at in my trading. So I don't trade every single pair on the market, because you only need to trade a certain amount, have a certain handful of pairs that you know and you're an expert at. It's like the famous old quote, "Jack of all trades, master of none." Would you like to be a jack of all trades, master of none? No, you wouldn't. You'd like to be a master of one rather than have skills of every single thing. That's my preference anyway. I like to be a master of a certain pair rather than trading 10 pairs at a time, because I'll get confused and it's much easier to control. So I trade 4 or 5 pairs. I sometimes ditch one or two if they're in consolidation, but for these pairs we're looking at now, most of them are trending fairly well. Pound yen is trading pretty well at the moment. As you can see, we've kind of got a downtrend similar to the UJ. So this shows me, so they look pretty similar. It's kind of like a symmetry right there. Lower highs, and lower highs, lower highs. So this basically means that US dollar JPY and pound JPY are correlating positively. So they look the same, and this means that taking trades on each pair will be a little bit easier. So as I said, we're in a downtrend for this particular pair, and these are the two options I'm looking at. So this higher area of resistance, kind of this area here, price could come back up into this and reject it once again, reject it down, or there's another possibility where price could just reject straight down from there. However, we've got to keep in mind that the price is moving slightly higher at the moment, and it's actually rejected from this wick. It's actually rejected 33 pips, so it's moved down and it's rejected it back up. So therefore, I'm looking for moves up there. This is my first go-to moves up there, which is that's about 125 pips from this current point. So that's what I'll be looking at. I'm looking at kind of a bullish pound yen. We have had pound weakness over the past few weeks, especially in this particular pair, but I feel that there's a possibility that it could change around in the coming days, but we're gonna have to wait and see if there's any gap up or gap down over the weekend, and just then we'll make our predictions for next week, and we'll see if we've got an opportunity available. That's kind of a wrap up for pound yen. That's the one option, and then the next option is pretty much to go down. I mean, it sounds kind of controversial that I'm just saying it can either go up or down, but you have to kind of adopt that wait and see policy, especially on a Friday. You know, Forex prices are slowing down a bit, market's a bit sluggish, so we'll wait and see maybe till Monday and Tuesday next week to see if we've got any opportunities, and then make a decision. But price is at a lower high, but there is potential. There is potential to move up into that orange zone, but there is also potential for it to reject the red zone and move further down. So we'll update later next week, and we'll see how this trade plays out. Let's go on to EURUSD. So the euro has been in a kind of consolidation. Not so much a consolidation. It started off trending quite well, but I think I'd say this period here was consolidation, and then it's maybe started to trend again higher up now, which I'm quite optimistic about. So as we all know, euro was in a 2-year, I think it was 1500 pip consolidation range for 2 whole years. It broke out of that range back in May or June, I think it was, and now we're looking for targets higher. So for this particular pair, we're looking for it to move slightly higher, hold support on this monthly level, and then once again move higher. So we are definitely bullish for the euro. After this economic candle, and we've got a lot of US weakness, as we've seen in the UJ. With this candle here, quite bearish, so we're looking for bearish in the USDJPY and bullish in the EU pair, because we're still expecting dollar weakness over the coming week. Let's look at our last one, which is AUDUSD. So AUDUSD has been in a consolidation range, I would say. I'd say this range here, as it consolidated a little bit at the start here, carried on trending higher, and I thought we'd break higher and create new higher lows, but we've kind of rejected back into this, came back up again. So as you can see, those 2 red downwards arrows, 2 strong retests, strong rejections off this weekly level of resistance, and that kind of formed a downtrend a little bit. So it's kind of a mini downtrend, counter trend if you will. However, all structure was stable, not broken, so price has moved up a little bit higher here, and as you can see, this monthly level here has acted as an area of support and resistance across the board. So all around here we've got support, and then turns to resistance around this zone, and then again we're holding a bit of support. So for me, I'm expecting AUDUSD to move up to that weekly. How will it move up there? How quick it'll move up there, I'm not too sure yet, but that's what we're expecting. Definitely hold that monthly level, because I'm quite satisfied it's held that quite well. So kind of stick around this zone for a bit, and then venture forward up into higher targets. That's kind of what we're expecting at the moment. So we are still in a bullish trend for AUDUSD for the moment. A little consolidation maybe, but we're expecting price to move up again. Okay, so as you may have noticed, we predicting bullish AUDUSD, which means I'm predicting bullish EURUSD. We're predicting bearish US dollar JPY, which basically means that we are predicting dollar weakness over the coming week. As I said, we've had a lot of dollar weakness over the last few weeks, so we're expecting it to continue for the following week especially. So that's pretty much the technicals. Obviously it's a very, very basic version of our technical analysis and our technical knowledge, because this content is given out free, of course, on YouTube and on Instagram. So there's got to be a level of protection of our expert analysis. So that's all exclusively for our students of the trading division. And as I said, membership is available August 28th. That's the launch, and there will be a discount of 10%. Check out our Instagram page for more details about that. But yeah, when we analyse the charts, we analyse starting from a basic version, moving up to intermediate and an expert version, and once we've got a clear picture of our charts, that's when we execute the trades. But what you can see in front of you is quite a basic version of our charts. We have a lot more data and analysis on it. Okay, so to wrap up dollar weakness over the coming week, and we'll post on our Instagram page some trades we may take or trades we have taken. And then membership is available August 28th. Head over to our website now to check it out. And also, while we're here, there's lots of other content on our website. Obviously, we update economic news as it comes out. So pound weakness at the moment, and Yellen possibly out. We had Bank of England interest rate decision on August 3rd, and we have non-farm payroll a few weeks ago. So we like to update for free. This is all for free, of course, on our website, and there's a lot of information about our company there. What is the Forex and meet the founder, that's me, and latest from our blogs. This is all free content for you guys. Risk and reward, full-time, part-time, or trading psychology, and there's a lot more where that came from. There's a lot more blog posts. So let's click on this right here. So you've got all of this free content that we're providing for you guys to improve your Forex knowledge. There's a lot more there. Fundamental economics. So there's a lot of content for you guys to check out. Lots of free content on our website and on our YouTube page. You can check that out. And then we've got the technicals every week, technical division. Probably coming every week. If I can do it every week, we will. But some weeks maybe missed a week last week because I was on holiday. So usually I'll keep it going, keep my analysis going. But some weeks I may not be able to do it. But that's what you can look forward to from us. We've got a lot of things coming out, and it's a pretty exciting time for us. So jump on board and learn how to trade Forex if you're a beginner, because it's a great skill. To be able to read candles and to be able to just pick up your laptop every single day and just to be able to read it like a book, it's so rewarding, and it just feels really positive, and it's really good to challenge yourself. I think this is quite a big challenge. Every single day there's a different scenario, and you have to learn about new things. So I think that if you're looking to get into the Forex market, I definitely think you should take our course, because it's one of the most detailed I spoke to a lot of traders who have taken courses which have had very limited, very basic knowledge, and our course is one of the most detailed I've seen out there, and I'm happy with how we've produced it. So this is our technical analysis for the week. We'll be taking trades next week probably if we see any opportunities, and might put it on Instagram to show our Instagram followers our analysis. So thanks for listening to Technical Division episode 5. We've wrapped up those 4 currency pairs and how they're looking for the week ahead. Thanks for listening, and check out our Instagram page and check out our membership on Monday.